Raise the flag, a symbol of Zambia, a beautiful nation, a land of peace and hope. From the Copperbelt to Southern, from Western to Eastern, we are one people, one Zambia, Kauzen. I got a dream for my country, a dream of peace and love. We've been through so much pain, but we're still standing strong. I see God's children crying, some with no food, no home. Street kids sleeping in darkness, wondering where they belong. My brother, my sister, we are family in Christ. If you have a little, share it. Let somebody see the light. What if we've lost our way because we've turned from God? Let's stop and think together before the road gets hard. Oh, who are we to hate each other? Who are we to take a life? Jesus paid it all on Calvary, so let love in the fight. Hey, hey, God bless our Zambia. Heal the wounds in our hearts. Bring back love and sanity, and give us a brand new start. One Zambia, united we stand. One nation, divided we fall. Come, let us reason together. My brother, my sister, we are one Zambia. If we fight, we go nowhere. If we love, we can go far. One Zambia, remember. One Zambia, one Zambia. One nation, one people. Under God. So many young people with a fire in their hearts, talents are waiting to shine, dreams are waiting for a start. Why don't we lift them higher? Why don't we give them a chance? Let's build a better Zambia with our own hands. From Copperbelt to Southern, Western to Eastern land, Northern and Machinga, let everybody understand. We are not different, we are one family. Mother Zambia, your children must live in unity. Hey. To our freedom fighters, I salute you today. You chose peace for our nation, and you showed us the way. But our children are growing without enough love and time, and adults are forgetting that we must teach them right. Life is not a movie. We only get one chance. Let's protect our children and give them a better path. Let our music heal the broken hearts. Let our songs build the nation instead of tearing it apart. Revenge will never heal you. It only passes on the pain. Forgive and choose love, and let peace rise again. Hey, let's come together. Let's build Zambia as one for tomorrow's country, Zambia. That one day, it will be better. No more crying, no more hatred, no more children sleeping hungry. Someday, my country will shine. Zambia will shine. United we stand. One nation divided we fall. My brother, my sister, let's walk together. Let's love one another. Let's build our Zambia. One Zambia. One Zambia. One nation. One nation. One people. One heart. Let us learn to find our common ground, despite our differences. Let love lead us always. Let forgiveness heal us. Let God guide Zambia. I love you all from Kauzen.